Well, good morning, everybody. This is Rob Travels with Dottie, and well, it is the 5th of October, 2024, and I apologize. Yesterday, that video did not get out until the evening. I don't know why it was taking so long. I had to restart it, so I'm definitely going to try again to upload this in 1080p. Lower resolution, smaller file size, so it gets up sometime during the day. Anyway, sorry about that. It is 5:40 a.m. and the first one is on positive news video announcing World Kindness Day is coming up. And Ken Gray says, I agree with this concept. I hope it inspires people to get into the habit. And then we have my buddy Shane and I got together. I drove to Las Vegas. He was visiting, and we spent some time together, so I did a video. Ken says, so glad you were able to visit with your friend and had a good time. And Don the First says, you two are a trip. Robbie had me cracking up. Great to see good friends be able to take and make jokes and no one taking offense. That's true. That's true. Lisa Roth said, very nice to meet Shane. I'm glad you two were able to spend some time together. It's always good to see old friends. What does he think of your YouTube lifestyle? Or my nomad lifestyle? He loves it. He thinks it's pretty exciting stuff. Don the First says, on the kindness video, it would certainly be a more beautiful world if people used kindness and empathy instead of criticism. However, there are people who do not make it easy. True statement. True statement. And 5 critical things they did not tell you about quartzsite, an older video. Big drink tea. I'm looking forward to my first time there. I only use distilled water for everything. Thanks for the info on the water there. On this same video, Shirley Fredrickson. Glad I happened to come across your channel, Rob. I'm a new subscriber and look forward to your content. Have a great weekend. Well, Shirley, same back, right back at you, Shirley. Famous Unknown, on my trip to Las Vegas. Shane seems like a really good fella. I always love meeting up with close friends that I haven't seen for a while, no matter whether it's months or years. It always seems like it was yesterday you hung out with them, and it never seems to be awkward. There never seems to be any awkward moments due to long absences. And kindness video, Lisa said, wouldn't it be nice if this was every day? Your comments from 10-3 from 2 days ago, because the one from yesterday didn't get out until the evening. Adventures of Gypsy and Finn. We are thinking about a composting toilet. Have you considered one? And I said, no, it's not for me. He goes, I get you. I've been dragging our feet. I just know a lot of boondockers who have them. And I said, I just threw one in a dumpster for a friend. And that's how they felt about theirs. Let's see, on your comments, same people, Adventures of Gypsy and Finn. I agree with not allowing contractor generators. That's open frame generators. What do you think is the quietest generator? My husband put a 12-volt plug on his side for his CPAP and uses a 12-volt cord. It works great. He handled that man well. You're probably the nicest camp host. I am Renee. Well, Renee, I think the Honda 2200 is among the quietest on the market. They're not cheap, but they're 2200. That's not running watts. That's starting watts, and it runs at sea level very well around 1800. And it's very quiet, very efficient. They're over $1,000 though. Same person commenting, if someone has a desperate need for money, they may think God provided. Oh, that's the whole thing with somebody found $14,000. We're wondering, what would we do? And I mentioned, Adventure's still commenting because I mentioned a movie where someone found drug money out in the middle of the woods in a crash plane, and it went really bad. She said, I saw that show. It was A Simple Plan, and she's right. That's what the name of the movie was. I couldn't think of it. On kindness, Dan Hardesty says, World Kindness Day. Who knew? Very cool. Louise Cash D. .c 3901. Thanks, I enjoyed the video. This is 10 things you didn't know about RVing at quartzsite, a real old one. I enjoyed the video. This coming winter will be our first quartzsite season. Looking forward to it as we have solar, lithium batteries, and being from New Mexico, we expect wind every year. This is our first year of full-time, and so far it's great. Good for you. It sounds prepared. You sound prepared. You two sound prepared. Go on, rock on. Julie Hoot said, come with me to Walmart. She said, Walmart. Come with me to Walmart. She says, fun video. Let's see. I usually go in the opposite direction. I go from St. George, Utah to Vegas. Thanks for sharing the beautiful view. I'm coming from Pahrump to visit Las Vegas. She comes from the other side. I don't know, not a big difference in distance. St. George is near one of my favorite places, Hurricane, Utah, home of Matt's RV Recovery. Giant RV channel and very entertaining. Love him and his family and his employees. Just love everything about that man and that channel. Kate Kramer on the Las Vegas. Thanks for sharing your visit with your friend. Nice guy. And Lisa, again, thanks for reloading, Rob. I thought I was imagining things until I talked with Judy. Yeah, I'm like struggling to upload yesterday's video, and it ended up uploading the very first comment video with the thumbnail for the current. No bueno. Let's see. Ken Gray said, it's a heat wave. Should be over in 2 or 3 weeks. As far as audio is concerned, I only really get irritated when the sound doesn't match the action, like voice being half beat off. That can happen so easily. So I've got a theory going forward on the outdoor audio. It's going to take a little extra effort, but I think it may be good. And that is today. That is it. That is it. Look, it's 6 minutes and 53. So less than 10 minutes. So this should upload quickly. The long video is ready to go. The short, not the short, but the positive news video is ready to go. I just need to do this. Today's long video. You ready? Want to see how long it's going to be? Guess what? It's a long one. Be prepared. It is what? It's not. I'm trying to reload a page and it's just not cooperating at all with me. Probably because I'm not hooked up to Starlink. Let's hook up to Starlink. So the thumbnail is going to be Judy is on the thumbnail with me. We're in the front seat of the car with her dog Buddy, and the title is Escapees RV Co-op Visit Timestamp, and I give you it 1 hour and 8 seconds. So if you're drawn to this video because you want to see the Escapees RV Co-op, skip ahead an hour because it's an hour and 26 minutes. But if you want to watch the whole thing of Judy and I knocking around town for over an hour, you might enjoy the whole video. So I'm going to publish that right now. I'm going to make it public. So that is public. And let's see. And another one on news on kindness. Kindness is a trend and is the topic in a study and a medical thing and a psychological thing. Kindness and empathy. It's there again, repeating. But it's a good thing to repeat. I will see all of you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I love it that you watch these videos.